Tired of that old Visa card hanging around your Spotify account? No worries, I'll show you just how simple it is to remove it, keeping your payment info secure and your subscriptions under control in just a few easy steps. Alright, first things first. Grab your phone or hop onto your computer and open up the Spotify app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. This part is essential. Next, tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the top corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, look for Manage Plan and go ahead and tap that. This will take you to the Spotify web interface, which is where you'll manage your payment info. You'll now find yourself on your subscription overview page. Scroll down until you see the payment method area and spot the update button beside your payment details and give that a tap. Almost there. On the change payment details page, a remove option should appear next to your Visa card details. Click that button. Spotify might ask you to confirm that this is what you want to do, so confirm it. And just like that, your Visa card has been successfully removed from your Spotify account. You're now free to add a new payment method or just keep rocking out with your free account. If you wish, if this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more easy Spotify tips.